You're watching Mirror 7 News. Stay informed, stay ahead for more news.
Hey everyone, have you been keeping an eye on XRP lately? Because the charts and market signals are lighting up with optimism. XRP is making serious moves. And it's not just random volatility. There's real structure behind what we're seeing. As of now, the price has strengthened above the $2.26 mark and is hovering around $2.38, with bullish pressure mounting. And honestly, the next leg up could very well be in motion. Between July 7th and 8th, XRP jumped 4.5%, peaking at $2.35, before settling near $2.26. This wasn't just a flash pump. Trading volume skyrocketed, with over 182 million XRP tokens exchanging hands during peak activity. That's a lot of investor interest coming in fast. On-chain strength and technical patterns are converging, and analysts believe that a clean break above $2.38 could unlock the door to $3.40. That's the bigger picture, but in the short term, the next key target is $2.76, which would represent an 18% upside based on an inverse head and shoulders breakout pattern forming on the 8-hour chart. Let's also talk about the fundamentals. Grayscale just added XRP to its digital large-cap fund, its first move since the lifting of regulatory restrictions. Meanwhile, there are 10 XRP spot ETF applications pending approval in the U.S., with regulatory decisions expected as soon as October. The potential for institutional inflow is massive if those ETFs get the green light. Now, even with all the broader market noise, from trade wars to global uncertainty, XRP is standing tall. Futures market data confirms this. Open interest has climbed back up to $4.93 billion from $3.53 billion just a couple of weeks ago. That tells us investors are putting serious money into XRP again, expecting more gains. And with the derivatives market volume surging to $10 billion, the setup for a big move looks increasingly convincing. From a technical angle, XRP is developing strong support around $2.25 to $2.26. Every time sellers try to push it down, buyers are stepping in. The neckline of the inverse head and shoulders sits right around $2.33. And if we see a solid breakout there with volume confirmation, it's game on for a potential run toward $2.76, and possibly even beyond if momentum keeps building. Let's not forget the longer-term legal context either. The SEC versus Ripple saga delivered some clarity. While XRP may be a security for institutional sales, retail transactions via exchanges aren't classified the same. That ruling helped ease some regulatory tension, giving the token a renewed boost in market legitimacy. Stay subscribed for more videos.